Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block anyone on Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Steam, and for now I'm just gonna block my friend right now. At the top left, you will see a button like this called as Friends. Click on it right now. And once you do, as you can see, there are a multitude of options, but right now all you want to do is focus on this thing called as View Friends. Click on it, and once you do, this thing will open up. Right now I want to block this person right here, so I'm simply gonna right click and go to their profile. I'm gonna click on this button right here. That's it. From this point on, we will look at how to unfriend him or block him. At the right section, you will see these three dots, a drop down like this. Click on it. Now do note that you can invite him to join your group, follow him, add a nickname, offer a trade, or simply block all communications or unfriend. Well, it's up to you. But for now, I want to block them, so I'm simply gonna click on this block button right here and give my confirmation. That is how you block someone on Steam. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.